There is a difference between an Appropriation Act and a Finance Act. Though both are money bills, the Appropriation Act is an authorization by the Parliament to spend the money, whereas the Finance Act is an authorization by the Parliament to the executive to collect the money from the people. And the Appropriation Act will have two components. One is called charged, other is called as voted. Voted expenditure deals with the regular expenditure of the Government of India. Charged expenditure deals with the expenditure of the constitutional authorities. The voted expenditure will have two components further: plan expenditure and non-plan expenditure. Whenever we talk about plan expenditure, the expenditure that is dealing with developmental activities is called as plan expenditure, and recurring expenditure that is there, for example salaries and other things, are called as non-plan expenditure. In the recent times, the Government of India has removed this distinction and started projecting the entire expenditure as one single entity rather than distinguishing plan and non-plan expenditure. This is a recent development.